Yes.
Deuxième fois, le pigeon le caca. Vamos.
But be careful, okay? Because it's pretty deep.
Also, the person who sacrificed the animal, you need to be honest man and no drugs and clean man, wise man, like the man who pray with us. We gotta be happy with the sacrifice because the soul of animal goes to the paradise, and we take the meat for us.
Good morning. Today is 17 of our travel adventure, and right now we're going to Leather Tannery. It's one of the famous places in Fes. The smell should be really bad, but the view should be really great. No, I think there is nothing, right? Okay. Okay, let's go back. I can't even turn. There is not enough space.
Yeah, streets are so narrow here.
And we saw a lot of video that people told that the Medina of the Fes is like one of the biggest labyrinths in the world, and it's kind of true. So many streets, a lot of dead ends, and sometimes you don't even know where to go. Like that's what I told you. The satellite is not updating, and then you realize you're not there at all. So we came inside this famous tannery. All people told that you don't need to go here because it's pretty dangerous and very slippery, but we will try. Okay. From inside, oh, you can see a lot of skins here. All leather producing here. They paint it, they clean it. Yeah. Yes, we want to go there. Let's go. Wow. Just look at this. From inside, it's look very different than from upper level, but it's really nice to be here, and it's part of the history. 1,000 years ago people made it like this, and still it's handmade. Yes, yes. I know the people go inside and do this. Yes. Let's go upstairs to see the view from above. So all this looks like a set of paint, and people doing leather here thousands of years. It's handmade, and it's one of the best quality in the world because all these things are natural. And the people, as you can see there, they go inside these tubes and like work with leather all day long. So it's very complicated and hard job. And later they dry it right here, and it's like really leather. That's awesome. Yes, just very soft, very nice.
This is the unique place in the world we use animal halal. We eat.
Yeah, I know.
No eat, no use.
Yes.
Like this, we respect the animal and we protect the animal. So we use goat, we use sheep, we use cow, and we use camel also. Camel
Okay.
is- So first we put them in the white color,
Uh-huh.
limestone.
Okay.
Lime to take the wool and the hair off.
Okay.
And to kill also if we have some bacteria. After we wash them, can you close brother here to see the wash machine? See
Yes.
the big drum, so we have
Yeah.
5 like this, only to clean. After we treat them with pigeon poop, pigeon dropping, because contain ammoniac acid,
Yes,
natural
to
ammonia.
kill all bacteria.
Exactly,
Yes.
to make skin also soft. So after ammonia, so the colors, natural vegetables, red
Yeah.
poppy, orange henna, blue indigo, black mascara for eyes, green wild mint, yellow saffron, the most expensive color
Oh,
to
yes.
make famous shoes. Because Friday, most of Moroccan people, we need to have jalaba, you know, the long
Yes,
clothes
jalaba
with the
long,
hood with
yes.
yellow shoes, yellow
Okay.
one, for ceremony, for marriage.
So it's like
The
most
husband,
fancy one,
because
right?
It's color of gold to
Oh,
make
I
the
see.
wife happy and family happy.
I see.
And bring good luck.
But
for
saffron is
family. So
expensive
saffron,
itself.
of course, we use the roots. I see two roots.
The roots.
So the good one for cocaine and
Yes.
the roots, you know, before the skin. So 1 week in the color to dry takes 3 or 4 days. So after dry, we bring the skin again here to make it soft. And afternoon, we sell them by auction for craftspeople.
Oh,
To make
okay.
after nice leather coats, bags. We do also leather trousers for motorcycle. We do face waistcoats. We do poofs.
Yeah, I
best
touched
with
the
the
skin.
water.
It's so soft
Yeah, of
and
course,
it's so
the
nice.
halal,
Yeah.
halal, you know, it's clean leather. Because the way how we butcher, so it's clean. We need also the person who sacrifice the animal. You need to be honest man and no drugs and clean man, wise man, like the man who pray with us. Like this, we butcher the animal. We don't say kill animal. Here and kill it not good way.
But it's still killing.
Yeah,
But I
so-
understand
So,
it.
here
Yes.
we see sacrifice because
Yes.
you know the God be happy with the sacrifice because
Oh.
the soul of animal goes to the paradise and we take the meat for us. But you know to do some problems for animals. This is because animal not talk. We need to feel how feel this poor animal. Look the man how open the skin. You see the skin will come from slaughterhouse. So this is the first job we do. We need to open it and we take the part no good. And we leave only skin clean like this. So this is a lamb skin. With lamb, we do nice leather jacket here.
The steps is very dangerous, so you need to be careful for sure.
You go, you see there?
Yes, yes.
You go up.
Okay. And now here they are coloring all of it. Yeah, so this is color, right? You feel the smell of history. Thousands of years people working here and the system is not changed at all. Yeah. Let's go over there. Well, thank you.
Sorry?
Yep.
This way.
This way. Okay.
To see the wall.
Okay.
Look, this van is the for wall.
Oh yes.
To see only to see.
And this is hard worker here.
That was really cool. Actually, I didn't expect that.
Yes.
Especially we went inside and managed to walk around these halls. Great.
Okay guys, really sorry, but here in Morocco, especially in Fes, you can try camel meat. It's actually pretty beef. Oh, pretty good. So I totally can recommend this place, Snack Malak. The burger costs about 6 or 7 US dollars. It's like even cheaper than burger from McDonald's in any country. And it's like really exotic meat. So enjoy. This city is definitely a nightmare for claustrophobic people. Like so narrow and no escape. Oh, that's from Cactus, right? The fruits from Cactus. Would you like to try them?
You try.
Okay. A lot of seeds. And it's very painted. Probably in all my mouth it's red, right?
Yes.
But it's very juicy. My arm was very red and I used the saw to clean it up. But lips is still very red and tongue probably as well. Oh yeah. And you can't clean it. It's so strong. And you're the big fan of injure.
Yeah,
How
I
it
think
is
it's
here?
another name in English.
Figs, maybe. Yeah, but in Middle Eastern country, in Turkey, in Libya, in Lebanon, in Jordan, it's called injure. And
nice.
here as well.
I love it.
Okay. This exit or entrance, depend on how you use it, called Blue Gate, and you literally can see that they are very blue. And it's located close to the bus station where we go right now, because now we will go to Chefchaouen. We exit from Medina a minute ago and it's extremely hot because no any wall protect you from the sun, from the heat, and you won't stay here for long for sure. This bus cost 70 dirham for one person from Fes to Dardara, which is really close to Chefchaouen, and it's about $8 US, but it's supposed to be with AC and it has it right here, but it's not enough cooling and it's very hot. In Chefchaouen even the taxi are white and blue. And I would say finally we made it to Chefchaouen. It took unreasonable long time for the bus, and you guys need to be aware that some of the buses don't go directly to Chefchaouen. They just drop off you in Dardara, which is about like 10 kilometers from here, and you're gonna need to take a taxi. It's shared taxi, so it won't cost you too much. It's just 10 dirham per person. It's about like $1.2, but it will take time, and be ready for this. Actually, I think we already showed you a lot today. We've been in Fes, we've been in this leather tannery, and we show just a bit of the road. So for today, day 17 is over, and tomorrow we're gonna start explore Chefchaouen. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.